Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install GCash application in your Android phone and iOS. So I'm using Android phone, that's why you are using Android phone, then go to Google Play Store, or if you use iPhone then go to App Store. So you can see this is the Play Store. So simply tap on that, and then you can see you need to search here GCash. So then enter, then you can see the first option GCash. So you can see this is really amazing app. It's really popular app. You can see 4.2 rating out of 5 and 1 million reviews. It means 1 million, right? Something about this app. And you can see 131 megabyte size of the app, this one. And you can see 50 million plus people already downloaded this app. So this is finance and banking. Okay, so what you need to do is simply tap on the install, and it takes a few time to install in your device. So after that you can create your account, and then you can use. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful. Today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.